Good afternoon, Gin Champions. My name is Jonathan Ricci, and I'm here to talk to you about the latest developments in the U.S. withholding tax issue with respect to gin affiliates. This week we got an email from the Global Information Network, and that email contained two files, two documents. The W8BEN and the statement by payee document. And the purpose of these two documents is for you, as a GIN affiliate, to fill these out and send them back to GIN so that future withholdings, U.S. tax withholdings, would not need to be done on future commissions. I believe the email referred to April commissions going forward. And I'm really happy that GIN sent these two forms to its affiliates, and it's a great start. However, it's not the entire U.S. tax picture for foreign GIN affiliates. If you notice in question number 9 of the statement by payee, two very important things are said. The first important thing, and I'm paraphrasing, the first important thing is that we as GIN affiliates take 100% responsibility for any U.S. taxes that are ever assessed on our commissions from the Global Information Network. And point number 2, that question number 9 refers to, is that we are telling GIN that we took a treaty position or a tax position pursuant to an income tax treaty between our country of residence and the United States. And these are two very important statements that we've made on the statement by payee. And it's important for a couple of reasons. The first reason is that we really need to understand what those statements mean with respect to a potential future IRS inquiry, or even worse, an audit. And second, it's important to document our U.S. tax position and have it reviewed by a U.S. tax practitioner. Just by making the statements and saying those forms, and that's a great start, we stop withholding tax. But it's very important to document our U.S. tax positions and have it reviewed by a U.S. tax practitioner. If we have not done so, we run the risk of not being able to answer questions as well as we want to if questions are asked later on. Now, as a seasoned and experienced U.S. tax practitioner and as a level 2 Global Information Network, I can tell you this, that I'm very passionate about making sure that foreign GIN affiliates do the right thing with respect to their U.S. tax picture and their GIN affiliate commissions. So I am putting together a free video that I will be sharing with Global Information Network members. That will be found at www.gintaxhelp.com. It's a free video. All you have to do is sign up as a member to the site, and you will have access to this free video. And this video will talk about many different things. It will talk about, number 1, it will talk about the W8BEN and the statement by payee forms that we've just received from GIN and exactly what they mean. It will talk about the individual taxpayer identification number and whether or not we actually need to get that number in some way, shape, or form. It talks about tax treaty positions and what they are and whether or not we need to take one, depending on how we run our GIN business. So again, this free video is going to be a wealth of information for Global Information Network members. And it's very important that we get all the information we can, especially when we make statements like the ones we made in the W8BEN and the statement by payee that we just filled out for the Global Information Network. So I won't take any more of your time. Watch out for that video. It should be out in the next couple of weeks. Sign up as a member. www.gintaxhelp.com. This is Jonathan Ricci. Thank you very much for your time.